Whole chicken. Now, you can cook it whole, or you can break it down. The average home cook, you probably don't know how to break it down. That's why I'm here to show you how to do it. Let's get into it.
First, trim off the butt and then move on to the thighs and legs. Trim the skin as close to the inner thigh as you can. Bend the thigh down until the bone protrudes. You want to cut right behind where this bone is, just to miss it, and trim off the thigh. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Trim the skin as close to the inner thigh as possible, break it down, and then trim right along that bone. Set aside your thigh-leg combos and we'll move on to the wings. Wings, you're going to want to snap right here until you can feel the joint pop. Once you feel that joint pop, you're going to ease your knife in between the joint, just missing the bones, and this will be your wing flat. To get to the wing drumstick, we're going to cut just where it connects to the shoulder. Time to break some backs. You're going to crack right along the back. There's going to be some thin bones, so this may scare you at first, but don't worry, I got you. We're just going to break right along here, and you can use a bigger knife like a cheap cleaver if you don't want to dull your knife. Lastly, we have the breast.
Daddy, chill.
Feel on top for the breastbone, and you're going to want to slide your knife just on either side of this breastbone. As long as you follow right along the edge, you will hit no bones. Flip that breast over, and there's your chicken tendies. Trim your wingtips off your flats, and then we're going to move on to the thighs and the legs. Set your chicken skin side up on your cutting board and cut right where the joint of the thigh meets the drumstick. Now if you start to hit bone, then just move over to the left or to the right until you glide through the joint. This will feel like you're cutting through butter. The joint will be white, and I'll show you right here the difference between me cutting through a bone and cutting through the joint. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you break down a whole chicken at home. It is much easier than you think, and whole chickens are much cheaper than buying the packs at the store.
See, wasn't that easy? We just broke down a whole chicken. Impress your friends, your family, bones, leftover you can use for some stock.
Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you'd like to see me do anything else.